Chicky likes fish too.
Papi not eat
Fish
fish.
Yeah,
fried fish.
I'm allergic,
it's dry
man. I'm
fish.
allergic to seafood.
Ah,
Ah,
he's
Yeah, I can't eat it.
allergic.
I
you're
like
just
fish.
saying
I
that.
just can't eat it.
You're just saying that because you don't want to have. You don't want them to be like, no, I don't like the fish.
Oh, he's on to me.
Uh,
No, really, I wish I could eat fish, but
He's allergic. And
just to fish or any seafood.
any
seafood.
seafood. It
Oh
started
my
with
god,
Nah.
me,
seafood is
and
so good.
I was 19 years old, and all of a sudden, I ate something, and man, anaphylactic shock, brutal
For real?
allergic reaction. Yeah, it almost killed me.
Oh
They
God
told me
damn.
no more anything that swims in the ocean. You can't have it, which sucks because you know, in Southeast Texas, man, they got shrimp and stuff like that. It's really good, and
Mm.
you know, you kind of grow up that being available and couldn't have it no more.
Mhm.
And then when I came here, you know, every seafood is like everything, man.
Oh yeah. Has your body? Maybe your body changed. You could give it a second try.
You know, I thought
no.
about going to a doctor and having it because they can test you. They can do it's an
Mm.
allergy test where they stick some of it under your skin and they test to see if
Mm.
you react to it without dying.
Well, yeah.
I thought
You
about
know.
trying it, man, but like I got family in the medical, a couple of family members in the medical, and they tell me don't don't even try a little bit because if you're that allergic, even just one small piece of seafood, you're gone. So you got to get
You know.
tested with the, you know.
Typically, I'm allergic to cats and dogs.
I'm allergic to cats a little bit.
When I was young, I always had like a cold, but it's allergies.
Cough.
You know,
Me too, man.
allergies. Like I couldn't sleep
Me
at
too.
night. I'll be like I was up all night and my nose completely clogged as hell. They
Yep.
told my mom he's allergic to dust. He's allergic to dogs. He's allergic to cats.
Yeah.
Why? Because cats have all their hair and then they're dirty or the dust,
And
the
their skin,
pollen.
man, they call it dander on their
Yeah.
skin. Their skin cells have like a protein on it, and when you breathe in, it's
Mm.
like dust. You breathe it in, it messes you up. That too.
Hmm.
That's crazy. I'm technically allergic to cats, but it's not like mine's more like like what you're saying, like you get like a cold or you get congestion or all that. But with food
The
allergy, like
allergies.
seafood, it's like a whole different level. It's like crazy.
Mm. I mean, the allergies that I used to get worse. I mean, it's still bad because you can't sleep because you can't fucking breathe.
Right.
So, I mean, you can't if you can't sleep, man, you're already tired and everything.
Yeah. Where'd Doc go?
I don't know.
Doc's slacking.
He already left. He just came in here to show the pizza and left. God
That's
damn
it,
it.
man. Uh, we even let him out of timeout.
You put him in timeout.
Oh
You don't
man.
like the food?
Hmm. I think it's just the rear bikes in here, no?
Yeah, beer bikes. And he going to work.
Oh, yeah. He was still in here, though.
I'm glad to have seen Cowboy,
Cowboy.
man. I was worried about
Yeah.
him.
I'm glad to see him around, too. I haven't seen him in a long time.
Yeah. Um.
Was everybody gone, or what the hell?
Let me see.
Everybody's probably passed out drunk.
Oh yeah, it's just us now. What Chicky? Oh look, 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 look.
What
She
is
can
it?
get.
Ay,
Oh
Oh,
wow.
gano'n
wow.
pag barangay